Are we fighting?
Lycator.
Elusive, we're fighting.
Guys, I dismounted Lycator. Wait,
No, you didn't. We're fighting right here. We're fighting in the field, guys. We're fighting in the field. Fight.
You want Quave? 2 footies on Quave?
Back up. So take Elusive. Bring my horse as well. Porky, hit my horse. Porky. Hey, quick.
Lycator is knocked down. Fuck no. He's fuel.
Oh, he's fucking up a horse here?
Yeah, I get my horse got fucked up.
Start back here.
Shit.
You're good back. Back in.
The money is low, get back. On Quave.
Coming.
Got a card on him.
Good shit.
Oh, I like your guys down as well.
Is he dead?
Gonna stand up.
Somebody take his stuff here if you can. Just play scale armor.
Tor, you're the only one with the horse still alive, right?
Yeah, it might be. We'll walk out.
So this bag here has heavy carapace.
I can't take it. I gotta go depot. Way back.
Yeah, just toss it in the.
Yeah. We got some horses that are still alive here. They're mongrel horses and stuff. They might get we got a jungle horse as well right there in the field. So we actually have stuff here.
Yeah. One to the northeast.
We got a Badco. Hey, we got a Badco mage. We got some Badco guys here, guys. Yeah, there's like 3 people here. Still to the northwest. 3 people. Coco's fighting.
Do not lose your horse story.
Oh, there's a mongrel horse here. I'm gonna
Coco's fighting by himself. 2 guys.
No, this is not there. No.
Can I get some mana from you, Tender?
I'm gonna help. Coco.
You're gonna leave me without mana.
Okay.
Yeah, take it.
Let's convert it.
Go ahead.
Cactala, convert it.
There's one more Badco to the northeast, alone, running on foot.
Someone make sure you guard the bags.
Guard the bags, boys. I'm gonna go depot.
There's people running out of some.
Is that you, Coco?
Careful, I saw multiple people running out of some.
I'm zoning them? Yeah. Next time to your right.
Tell me if you see the best. And tell me when you're done. Tell me so I can break it. Next switch friendly, okay? Atom 1 hit. Atom down.
Pokemon.
One hit. Needing that. Something.
I need to get mana. Sit down.
Medium down.
Solid goober, guys. I'm sorry. I failed you.
Oh, I see one right here. He's isolated. I'm gonna have to stick his stick.
Yeah, Sticky Stick's a pretty decent fighter. Be
Do
careful.
we know where they run to?
He's running for me. I got him in half.
Southgate?
I'm on him.
I'm gonna go Southgate then. Come out.
Oh, is that Mario? Motherfucker. He's one hit, fuck.
Where's he going?
He's going to this jump.
This?
Or no, not this jump. I'm sorry, just jump down rock.
Where? Dude, you guys are the worst direction givers in the history of the world, bro.
Yes, I lost that title.
So I was telling them to stream.
I'm underneath the bridge. Are they going towards Watergate or where are they?
Oh, I see an Irene. I see an Irene on the
I'm
ground.
on Sticky Stick. He's at the near between the jump down rock and southeast.
I have tons of bombs on me right now. So.
Hammer's an age. Inside fighting. Merc's down.
Yeah.
Look, what's the cap now? Look at
So expecting like 4+, I guess.
Yeah, we should expect 4 again. So Southgate is one day.
Anyway, please watch me. I'm on the second, the first level of the tree. I did.
If you need heals, run out.
Yes, on that. Yes, on Tech-Baton. Who's that?
Tech-Baton down.
Behind us, behind us. Behind us, mage.
Got you. Oh, he's not behind us. He's on the lower.
Corrupting the capital.
Yep, I'm on your
Capital going down.
Campo's down, Campo's down. Alright, next target, everybody. Keep moving forward.
They're running.
Yeah, get that tag.
I can see this tag.
Rocks on the left, rocks on the left.
Crystal reflecting.
Zlan, going after Zlan.
Pet Purple jump down from the rocks behind you.
Fighting Zlan, guys, fighting Zlan.
One behind all our mages.
Jesus.
Start working shit.
I'm seeking heals.
Tags down, tags down. Heals on Dr. Penguin.
There's a Legio Italica running to the leaf entrance, by the
He lashed him.
Nice, good shit, good shit.
Beautiful games, guys.
Mage is chasing me with his terror bird just north of you. Just north, yeah. On the his terror bird is here. The bird is running to him, he's mounting.
Okay, Steve,
Proper is full, maybe?
The bird, he is going north.